So that's a wrap for this project. Got all the lighting done. Like I said earlier, this porch will come down eventually and get rebuilt, but for now, just kind of dressed it up, add some new stairs, skirting all along there. We got all our in-light riser lights in, TimberTech cap lights. Got the branded light right there. Access panel. 4 of those boards open up, and then those 4 boards there open up. Nice and clean with the curved stairs. Skirting all the way down. We do a 3/4 inch gap in between to let it breathe, and you can't see through it, so it should look nice at night with this all lit up. A couple people asked me how I attached this small cut here. So we actually used a white Cortex plug and then color matched it with some paint and a very small nail, trim nail right there to hold that together. And we also glued the first probably 7-8 inches of that, so looking good. Get the inlay circle to break up the 20-foot boards so we didn't have any butt joints. Wide width dark hickory divider board. That's it, this one's a wrap. Once the drone's fixed, I'll come back, take some aerial pictures.